Have you ever tried something as an autistic person and failed? Maybe you were 12 and attempted a new life skill, cooking, budgeting, cleaning, asking for help, and it just didn't go very well. And maybe that moment has stuck with you. You still are stuck in the, I can't do that because I couldn't at 12. But what if I told you that failure back then does not mean failure now? Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics to independence. There's a little story I want to share. A teacher once walked into a kindergarten classroom, stretched a rope 2 feet high, and asked, "Can you jump this high?" Most of the kids just shook their heads. No way. But one child tried and didn't make it over the first time. Another tried running before the jump and didn't make it. One moved a chair out of the way to get a better angle on his run and still didn't make it. They tried again and again. And eventually, one clever child rolled a trampoline over, bounced, and cleared the rope. The lesson? Just because you couldn't do something the first time doesn't mean you can't do it now. You've changed. You've grown. Your experience is more. You're not the same person you were at 12 or 16 or at 20, even last year. As autistics, we often live a life on a different time frame. Society hands us a script: high school at 18, college at 22, career at 25, marriage and a home at 30. But if we don't hit those milestones on time, it can easily feel like we're broken or behind. But here's the truth. You're not broken. You're on a different path. And that's okay. Try again. Try differently. Try with the trampoline. That's autistic thinking. A whole new way. Not as other people view it, but as you can. Just because you failed at a skill earlier doesn't mean it's over. Maybe that job interview went badly. Maybe your first attempt at moving out didn't last long. Maybe budgeting just never clicked with you. But now you have more awareness, more tools, more community, more of you. You were born different to make a difference. Your journey does not have to look like anyone else's journey. So go ahead, pick that skill back up and try again. Redesign the environment and try again. Ask for more support or teaching and try again. Try it your way on your time, but try. Because you get to define what success looks like to you. Are you a young adult autistic stuck at home and craving more independence? Then the Autistic Bridge to Independence is just what you've been looking for. It's a 5 ebook guide to your independence. Check the link below and get it today. It'll pay you over and over again. If this message resonated with you, please offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithmic god. Thank you.